Your home needs a makeover, and there's no better way than with a fresh coat of paint. But you have to spread dust sheets everywhere and spend all day going back and forth to the paint tray, up and down ladders, and you still end up with spills and splatters. Not anymore. Now there's Paint Racer, the incredible new handheld portable painter that gives you the speed you need to paint anything around your home faster and easier than you've ever seen before. It's like having a roller and paint can right in the palm of your hand. Just pour in the paint and snap on the lid. That's it. The secret is the onboard storage bin that holds the paint inside. The Easy Spread roller absorbs and distributes the paint to the outer surface of the pad for smooth, thick, even coverage on any surface. Now there's no more running back and forth to the paint can because it's right there in your hand. Think of the time you'll save. Paint an entire bedroom wall in just 5 minutes or an entire living room in just 20. Paint Racer's super absorbent pad locks in paint to the surface of the pad, so there's never any drips, spills or splatters. Now you can paint ceilings like a pro in no time. The harder you press, the thicker the coat, so you save time because you get the job done in one pass. And cleanup is easy. Just give it a rinse and store in a drawer. It's like having a roller and paint can right in the palm of your hand. Order now.